In this lesson, you'll learn about the functions cut with surface and replace face. Now that we've learned how to move between solids and surfaces, the next step is learning how to edit solids with surfaces. There are three things that we can do with the situation that you see here. We've got a surface body that partially cuts through a solid body. The most obvious tool is the insert cut with surface. In this case, you use the surface to cut through a solid body. The arrow indicates the material that will be removed. So anything on the outside of the surface will be removed. And there we've cut the corners off the block. You could edit the feature, turn the cut direction the other way, and in this case, we should be left with the two corners. SOLIDWORKS gives us a dialog box to help keep track of what it is that we want to keep. Gives us the option to keep all of the resulting bodies, or just one of them using the size option. And the solid bodies folder lists two solid bodies and a single surface body. Let's see what other things we can do with the surface. We looked before at the split feature. This was under Insert, Features, Split. We could split with a sketch, with a plane, or with a surface body. So let's select this surface, say Cut Part, and it results in three possible bodies. We want to keep all three. We'll say OK. So now we've got our three surface bodies. Let's change colors just to be clear that they're different. So we've got the cut with surface to remove material. We've got the split to keep all the material but separate it into bodies. And the final one that I'll show you is called Replace Face. Let's delete the split feature and insert Face, Replace. This is also on your surfacing toolbar by default. Icon is Replace Face. Replace Face is one of the very few tools in SOLIDWORKS that can add and remove material in a single step. It can be a very useful function if you know how to use it. Let's take a look at this. The target faces for replacement, these mean the old faces, so let's select the face of the solid. And the replacement surface, let's select the new surface body that we want to replace the face with. When I hit the right mouse button or the green check, SOLIDWORKS has the end face of the solid with the face of the surface. If you were to do this manually, this is what the process would look like. I'll delete the Replace Face feature and start this process manually. The first thing it would look like would be deleting the end face of the solid to leave you with a surface body. Then you would need to use the Extend Surface, and I'll right-click on an edge and say Select Open Loop. Make sure I extend this past the surface body. Then I trim with the Mutual Trim option and select both the surface body and the extended surface body. In the Keep selections, I would keep the lower part and the inside part. This gives me a single surface body. From there, I would need to insert Boss Base, Thicken. Select the body and create solid from enclosed volume. That was 4 features and a whole lot of selecting to replace the single feature of face.